Welcome. Have you ever wondered which martial arts stand as the most powerful in the world? Whether it's for self-defense, competitive combat, or real-life survival, mastering the right fighting style can give you an undeniable edge. Some techniques focus on raw power, while others rely on precision, strategy, and skill. But which ones truly dominate the world of combat? Let's find out. Before we jump into it, I have a small request. If you enjoy this content, hitting the like button and subscribing would be a huge help to the channel. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting and informative videos like this. Now, let's dive into the top 3 most powerful martial arts. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Imagine stepping into a fight where strength and size don't guarantee victory, where intelligence, patience, and technique are the ultimate weapons. This is the world of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a martial art that revolutionized combat sports and self-defense. Unlike traditional fighting styles that rely on punches and kicks, BJJ is all about grappling, control, and submissions. It empowers a smaller, weaker person to dominate and defeat a larger, stronger opponent using leverage, positioning, and technique. Originally derived from Japanese Jiu-Jitsu and Judo, BJJ was refined in Brazil by the legendary Gracie family, transforming it into one of the most respected and effective martial arts in the world. Today, BJJ is not just a sport, it's a science, a philosophy, and a way of life, embraced by fighters, law enforcement, and even everyday people seeking self-improvement. What makes Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu so powerful? It's the strategic use of ground fighting and submissions. Unlike striking-based martial arts such as Muay Thai or karate, where fights happen on foot, BJJ focuses on taking the opponent to the ground, where size and strength become less important. Through techniques like guard control, sweeps, joint locks, and chokeholds, a BJJ practitioner can completely neutralize an opponent without throwing a single punch. Moves like the rear naked choke, triangle choke, and armbar have been proven effective in real fights, street self-defense, and professional MMA competitions. BJJ is also unique because of its live sparring, or rolling, where students constantly test their techniques against resisting opponents. This creates a level of realism that many other martial arts lack, ensuring that techniques work in real situations. But BJJ is more than just a way to win fights. It's a way to sharpen the mind and build unshakable confidence. Training in BJJ teaches problem-solving under pressure, adaptability, and patience. Every roll on the mat is like a physical chess match, where the goal is to outthink and outmaneuver your opponent rather than overpower them. This is why BJJ is widely used in law enforcement and military training, helping officers control suspects without unnecessary violence. Beyond combat, the discipline and resilience learned through BJJ transform lives, teaching students to stay calm in adversity, overcome challenges, and constantly improve. Whether you're looking for self-defense, fitness, or even just a new challenge, BJJ offers a path to mastery that few other martial arts can rival. So, are you ready to test your skills, embrace the grind, and become a part of this incredible journey? Muay Thai. Imagine a martial art so powerful that it transforms your entire body into a weapon. A style where your fists, elbows, knees, and shins work together like a machine of destruction. This is MuayThai, also known as the Art of 8 Limbs, a centuries-old combat system from Thailand. Unlike traditional boxing, which only uses the hands, or karate, which emphasizes linear strikes, Muay Thai utilizes every part of your body for offense and defense. The result? A striking system so devastating that it has dominated kickboxing circuits, professional MMA, and even military combat training worldwide. If you've ever watched an elite fighter unleash a lightning-fast elbow strike or a bone-crushing leg kick, chances are you've witnessed the raw power of Muay Thai. But what makes Muay Thai so effective and feared? Unlike many martial arts that focus on long-range attacks, Muay Thai specializes in close-quarters combat, using strikes that generate maximum force in minimal space. The roundhouse kick, one of its signature moves, is so powerful that it can shatter ribs, knock out opponents, and even break baseball bats during demonstrations. Fighters condition their shins by repeatedly kicking heavy bags in bamboo, turning them into solid weapons over time. Muay Thai also incorporates clinch fighting, where fighters use their arms to control an opponent's head and deliver devastating knee strikes and elbows. These aren't just flashy moves, they are designed for real combat scenarios, ensuring that a Muay Thai fighter is dangerous at any range, whether at a distance or in a tight clinch. Muay Thai isn't just about physical power, it's a martial art deeply rooted in Thai culture and warrior traditions. Historically, Thai soldiers trained in Muay Thai for battle, and even today, fighters follow ancient rituals such as the Way Kru Ram Muay, a pre-fight dance that pays respect to their teachers and ancestors. Training in Muay Thai builds not only explosive strength, but also mental toughness, endurance, and an unbreakable fighting spirit. This is why it's a favorite among professional MMA fighters. It creates warriors who can take punishment, keep moving forward, and deliver some of the most dangerous strikes in combat sports. Whether you're looking for self-defense, fitness, or competition, Muay Thai will push you beyond your limits, forging you into a true warrior. So, are you ready to step into the ring and embrace the art of 8 limbs? KravMaga. If you're looking for the most brutal and effective self-defense system in the world, look no further than KravMaga. Designed for real-life combat situations, KravMaga isn't a traditional martial art. It's a battle-proven survival system created by the Israeli military to neutralize threats as quickly as possible. Unlike sports-based fighting styles with rules and restrictions, KravMaga is built for the harsh realities of street fights, armed attack, and life-threatening situations. It teaches you to use whatever you have, your hands, elbows, knees, feet, or even objects around you, to defend, disable, and escape. There are no fancy techniques, no point scoring, and no hesitation. Just raw, efficient combat to ensure you survive. KravMaga is unique because it combines the best techniques from multiple fighting styles. The punches and footwork of boxing, the grappling of Jiu-Jitsu, the powerful kicks of Muay Thai, and the close quarters combat of Judo. But what sets it apart is its ruthlessness. There's no fair fight mentality here. You're trained to strike first, strike hard, and end the fight immediately. Techniques focus on attacking vulnerable targets like the eyes, throat, groin, and joints to incapacitate an opponent instantly. You'll also learn how to disarm knives, guns, and other weapons, making it one of the few martial arts that fully prepares you for real-world violence. In Krav Maga, hesitation means defeat, so students train under high-stress conditions to simulate real attacks, ensuring they react instinctively when danger strikes. Worldwide train in Krav Maga. It's practical, fast, and brutally. Krav Maga turns you into a human weapon. So, if you're ready to learn the world's most effective combat system, be prepared for intense training, real-life scenarios, and the mindset of a warrior who refuses to be a victim. We've explored 3 of the most powerful and battle-tested martial arts in the world, each one with its own strengths, tactics, and philosophy. Whether it's the devastating strikes of Muay Thai, the unmatched ground control of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or the ruthless self-defense techniques of KravMaga, mastering any of these will give you the skills and confidence to face any challenge. But remember, martial arts aren't just about fighting, they're about discipline, resilience, and self-improvement. Whether you train for competition, self-defense, or just to push your limits, each of these combat systems will transform you both physically and mentally. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button. It really helps us out. And if you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Before you go, if you're fascinated by the most dangerous predators in the animal kingdom, don't miss our video on the 3 deadliest eagles in the world. Click the card above to watch now. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Stay strong, stay sharp, and keep pushing your limits.